So I've done a little bit of work to repair this bar. You might remember from other pictures this was really bucked up where this mark is. We straightened that out against the tree yesterday. This roller fairlead will be removed and a little rope fairlead placed at the bottom, which will enable us to put the number plate down on the bar. And the other thing is this thing, someone put a bit of pipe, just can't budge. And Cassie's brother suggested just cutting it off. Alright, so I just put the first bit of black on. I'm going to say it so it protects it, but really I just wanted to see what it looks like. Cool, so this is what's been done so far. I've just left this bit undone just so you can see the difference. And the indicators have been replaced, so they're getting painted over. The job's all done now. The hook's on, the fairlead is on, and the lights are in and connected.